Hello everyone, welcome to the southern part of the United States. It's the middle of summer and it's hot. We're in Benton, Arkansas. We're on the outskirts of Little Rock, Arkansas, which is kind of world famous for our 42nd president, Bill Clinton. We're here on our site. As you can see, it's quite a large site with about 150,000 square feet of manufacturing space, but we're expanding it up to almost 200,000 square feet. Currently, there are about 202 employees, team members that work on site.
That's right, Michael. This site is of important significance to us. It has a large bauxite mining history, and that was a precursor into the aluminum, which was a precursor to aluminum oxide. So over time, we've gone from 100% aluminum oxide production to where we're at today, investing in other materials, about 90% silicon carbide and boron carbide. So this expansion allows us to serve customers in new additional markets, and allows us to increase our revenue by over 2.5 times.
Yeah, so here in our Benton facility, we produce components for two of our key markets, the aerospace and defense market and the energy and chemicals market. Aerospace and defense makes up about 40% of our revenue, while energy and chemicals makes up 60% of the revenue here at the factory. Behind us here, this construction site is in direct support of our strategy to develop and grow partnerships with customers in these key markets. The key market here is aerospace and defense, and so the construction that will be completed by the end of the year will help us develop and continue to grow within the aerospace and defense market. So let's learn a little bit more about what's going on here at the Benton facility.
Here in Benton, we have 200 employees and approximately 150,000 square feet. Primarily, we do oil and gas. We do hard face seals, and we do a little bit of armor. But the thing I like about Benton is the people. The people are real dedicated. They're great to work with.
We are in Arkansas, so it is just a good, everybody knows everybody type facility in place. So Benton is a very small town located outside Little Rock, and it's a real great place to work and raise a family.
We have two buildings right now. So we have Building A, which is primarily the oil and gas, seals, hard face seals, a little bit of armor. And then we have Building B, which is our quick turn facility. Building C will be the final expansion in this facility. We're adding another 50,000 square feet. We're expanding into the vacuum hot press process, which complements one of our other facilities in CoorsTek. We're looking to add about 30 people when we do that.
We're back outside here at the Benton expansion site. As you can see, it's a huge pile of dirt. This gentleman with me, Mark Matthias, is responsible for turning that pile of dirt into something useful for CoorsTek. Mark, tell us a little bit about the rationale for choosing Benton for this expansion.
By expanding here in Benton, we're going to complement existing capabilities as well as increasing our capacity. In particular, we had available land to build a new building on. We have low energy costs in Arkansas, as well as Arkansas has tax incentives. They're going to be investing in CoorsTek by giving back that tax.
Tell us a little bit about the timing, some of the challenges we're going to face over the next few months to bring this manufacturing facility and the products online.
We need to have this facility up and running by Q1 of 2020. That will get first article parts to our customers so they can qualify and win the business.
We have 80,000 part numbers, and we have about 30,000 of those are active. We get 8 new part numbers a day. Quick turn is providing the product to the customer quick. Providing it in a quicker lead time than, say, our competitor. We're located close to the refineries in Houston, so if a refinery goes down, they come to us. We're not the cheapest, but we are definitely the quickest.
Tell me a little bit about some of the successes that we've seen over the last couple of years by executing in the quick turn cell.
Our on-time delivery performance has increased substantially. We went from 72% towards the beginning to more than 90% today.
So what impact has that had on our relationships with our customers?
Our customers react very, very positively to that, especially the customers that need things very quickly on a regular basis. That builds customer loyalty. Our customers continue to come back, and it really adds value both for our customers, where they're able to get the stuff when they need it, but also for CoorsTek because we have customers coming back and paying a premium.
One of the things we're doing is expanding. We're developing a new hybrid material, and we've added presses and furnaces, so we're actually going to do a hybrid armor.
We're in the midst of an investment here in Benton, Arkansas. Tell me about the materials that we're investing in here.
So we're focused on direct sintered materials, specifically silicon carbide and also hybrids of silicon carbide and boron carbide.
Nate, our strategy is to develop and grow with key customers in key markets across the world. So tell me a little bit about how this investment allows us to execute on our strategy.
This allows us to come together as a company with commercial operations and technology through research and development to really work together and support our customers in this key vertical market.
So Nate, we're here in Arkansas, home of the Razorbacks. Have you ever heard the term Woo Pig Suey?
No, I have not.
You don't know what that is?
No.
Well, we have a little bit of cultural work to do here in Arkansas. So thanks, Nate.
Yeah.
The people here are go-getters. You know, they want to get it done. They want to satisfy the customer's needs, you know, as quick as possible. So again, that's the reason I'm here, and that's what I like about Benton.
Well, thanks everybody for joining us here in Benton, Arkansas today. I hope what you saw was another example of our strategy in action, the strategy to develop and grow partnerships with customers in key markets.
We got a lot of exciting and promising things going around CoorsTek, and I'd like to take this time to thank the team in Arkansas for their hard work and their execution upon our strategy and making the world measurably better. So thank you everyone, and we'll see you next time.